Hey guys, it's Hannah here with another video, and I'm here at the Provident Legacy office to unbox something really cool. Let's see. I'm gonna open it so you guys could see what it is. Here we go. Oh, so we have the iPhone 17 Pro Max, and it's the sold out iPhone color, the orange. We got it. Today's the first day. It's out, so we're gonna unbox it. But before I open it, I want to show you what else we have here because I want to see the color and how it matches with everything else. And we want to put the screen protector right away because even though they made the ceramic shield for the new iPhone 2 times stronger than last year, which all the glass is made in America, worldwide is made here, but you still want protection. So we're gonna do that. And we also have a case, clear case with some orange for the magnet safe. And I got a book here that we're actually reading now. It's called The Science of Scaling. It's also orange. We got orange here, we got an orange couch. So we're gonna compare it to some of these things. But without further ado, let's do it. Here we go. So you have these tabs here. All right. And here's the first look of the color. Wow. Now, let me take it out. I don't even want to touch it because I want to put the case right away, but let's put it aside for a second to see what else. So it comes with a USB-C to USB-C cable. There's no charger, no brick charger with it, and just some papers, right? And that's it. That's all that it comes with, guys. So here it is. Now what I want to do is, as soon as I remove this, I want to put the screen protector right away while it's still clean, so you don't have to wipe it, nothing. So I'm going to do that. So let me set this aside, but I want you to, right now, the first thing I want you to see is look at the color comparing to this orange. Now this is a two-tone orange, right? And by the way, this is for the first time they're making it in a unibody. So this is all metal except this part, where before it was all glass. Now only this part for the wireless charging, they've made it glass, but it's a ceramic glass. It's ceramic mixed with glass, right? So look at it on my shirt, the different orange color. Let's take a look at this book. We have this. You can see different types of orange. What else do I have? Oh, my watch. If you notice, there's slightly an orange here, a little slight orange there. Maybe similar to this orange button here, right? And what else did they give us? This is to return your old phone. So if you're doing a trade-in, they give you a box so you could send that back. So let me get this set up and we'll be right back. All right, guys, we're back. We set up the phone. We have this clear case with orange around it. This is supposed to be an orange airbag, they call it, or a camera around, so it helps. So this is actually metal. And then I like this orange case because it blends in, and you know, obviously it's different type of orange, right? But if you see it here, it looks pretty cool. It's like, it's a clear case. I could still use it for my MagSafe, my wallet. But yeah, I really like it. And I wanted to show you how I did the screen protector. It came out amazing. Look, guys, literally perfect. And the way I did it, which I wanted to do on camera, but I didn't know, because this is the first time I used that type of screen protector. But I was able to put it in, as soon as I removed that white paper, put it, and it came out perfect. It was amazing. I didn't have to clean it or nothing. Next time I'll do it in front of the camera and show you guys, but really good. Highly recommend it. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. What I do want to show you the camera. Now it has 8 zoom. If you see the 8 here, right there, yeah, you could do 8 zoom. And also, if I turn the camera, oh, we have the camera girl in the background. Now there is something called center stage. See here, if you click on this, look, I could take a wide angle like this without turning the phone, which is really cool. And then I could expand it. Look how wide the shot is. You know, so that is pretty cool. And I can't wait for the battery, because the battery is supposed to be really good.
Daddy, I'm supposed to see it, not you.
That's right.
It's a surprise.
And yeah, so this is the iPhone 17 Pro Max. If you have any questions, comments, concern, put it down below. Love to answer your questions. Thank you for watching.
Bye.